Welcome back student in my YouTube channel Account X-Ray. I am Santosh Misra and today I am going to discuss chapter number 8 controlling of business study of class 12. So student, first thing in this chapter, what is the meaning of controlling? Then controlling ensures controlling is one of the most important function of the manager. In order to seek planned result from the subordinate, a manager needs to exercise effective control over the activity of the subordinate. You can say in other words, controlling means ensuring the activities in an organization which are performed as per the plans. Controlling also ensure that an organization's resources are being used effectively and efficiently for the achievement of the predetermined goal. It can be defined as the comparison of actual performance with the planned performance. If there is any deviation, the controlling function find out how far actual performance deviate from standard and analyze the causes of such deviation and attempts to take corrective action based on the same. In next point, we will discuss the importance of controlling. What is the importance of controlling? Controlling helps in achieving organizational goal. In exam, you can write as accomplishing organizational goal. This is the heading, first heading. And the controlling function measure progress towards the organizational goal and bring to light the deviation or indicate corrective action. If if thus controlling guides the organization and keep it on the right track so that organizational goal might be achieved. In second point, for evaluating or judging accuracy of standard, a good control system enable management to verify whether the standards set are accurate or not by careful check on the changes taking place in the organizational environment. This is the second importance of the controlling. And third importance, making effective use of the resources. So by exercising controlling, a manager seek to reduce wastage and spoilage of the resources. Each activity is performed in accordance with the predetermined standard and norms. This ensures that the resources are used in the most effective and efficient manner. Okay. In fourth point, controlling, fourth importance, controlling improves employees motivation. A good control system ensures that the employee know well in advance what they are expected to do, and also the standard, what are the standards of performance. It thus motivates and help them to give better performance. In fifth point, facilitating coordination in action. In controlling, each department and employee is governed by predetermined standards which are well coordinated with one another. So there is a very minimum chance of conflicts. Controlling provides unity of direction, and it is a very continuous process. Controlling is the continuous process, and in 6.6 importance is that in ensuring order and discipline. Controlling create an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization by keeping a close check on the activity of its employee. And in next point, nature of controlling, then or you can say feature of controlling. Then controlling is the goal oriented process. Controlling is goal oriented function. Controlling as a function of management ensure that the overall direction of the individual and groups are consistent with short and long range plan of the organization. So it is completely a goal oriented function. Controlling is all pervasive function. Controlling is a function which is applicable to all types of organization at a all level. Pervasive means present at all level. For example, the top manager are concerned with administrative control, which is exercised through broad policies, plan and other directive. The middle level manager are concerned with the executive control for the purpose of getting the plan, policy and program executed. At the lower level, supervisor exercise operational control to ensure successful performance of actual operation. This is a picture. Top level management concerned with administrative management, middle level concerned with the executive control, and lower level management supervise exercise operational control. Controlling is applicable to the all forms of organization. This is the graph for the feature of pervasive. Controlling applies in each type of organization at all level: manufacturing unit, trading unit, NGO and others, and financial unit. Controlling is a continuous function. Controlling is not one time activity, rather it is a dynamic process. That involves constant analysis of the actual planned performance. The resultant deviation, if any, are corrected as per the need of the situation. Suppose if a firm X Limited, a ready-made garment manufacturing unit, set a target of manufacturing 10,000 premium shirt in a month and is only able to manufacture 8,000 shirt, then the controlling mechanism will help in finding the deviation and causes of the deviation associated with it. This process will carry on every month for the organizational in this case. Okay. Fourth, controlling is both backward looking as well as the forward looking function. These features are so much important for the examination purpose. So student, please read one time, two times these features and try to remember it. Effective control is not possible without analyzing our past mistake. So from this point of view, we can call it backward looking. And but the business environment is ever changing, and controlling helps bring in change in the organization in a conductive manner. So we cannot ignore the forward looking aspect of it as well. So controlling is a dynamic process. Since controlling requires taking reviewable methods, changes have to be made wherever possible. And controlling is a positive process. The function of controlling is positive. It is to make things happen, that is to achieve the goal within the stated constraint or by mean of the planned activity. Controlling should never be viewed as being negative in character. Okay, so controlling is a managerial necessity and a help, not an impediment or a hindrance. Okay, this is all about the importance, features and meanings of the controlling. Okay, thank you student.